Thanks for letting me stay here for Halloween, Pixie. Well, you're my best friend. Did you actually think I wouldn't? No, but still, thank you. Hey, before we watch some Halloween movies, do you want to tell some scary stories? You can if you want to. I'm not very good at doing that, though. Okay, that's fine. I've got a pretty good one, actually. For decades, there have been rumors of a cat who lives in a pumpkin patch, just like the one in my field. She only comes out on Halloween nights. Its fur is as black as night, and its eyes are as bright orange as the moon. People say that if you enter her pumpkin patch on Halloween night, no matter what, she will find you and suck the blood right from your veins. And it's so quick and painful that all you can do is scream and die. And then, when she's finished with you, she waits in her pumpkin patch for her next victim to come. People have tried to get rid of her for years, but nothing works. They all die trying. The cat in the pumpkin patch always wins. Wow, that was actually pretty good. Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking? That we should go to your pumpkin patch and see if we can find that cat? Yep. Let's go. I can't believe we're doing this. Oh my god, don't be a chicken. Come on, it'll be fun. Oh god. Fantasia, we're fine. See, there's no cats around. Just me and you and the pumpkins. I know, I just don't have a good feeling about this. I mean, we're alone in a pumpkin patch on Halloween night, in the middle of the dark. Can we please go back inside? Fine, let's go. Don't leave me. Pixie, are you sure we can't go a little bit faster? Jeez, Fantasia, it's just a pumpkin patch. I know, I really need to go inside. Come on. Fantasia, slow down.